Hello everybody, welcome to Live Well. Today I'm going to be sowing some more seeds, which will be the leeks and some broccoli. Alright, so the first step that I usually take is obviously open the packet. We're going to be doing like so. Put some in my hands. Not a lot because my beds are not very big, so I don't really need many plants. Just basically gently spread it over the soil. And these seeds are fairly big, as you can see. So I'm basically going to do the brassicas on one side. And on the other side, we're going to be spreading the leeks. I'm going to leave a little space in between just to allow me to differentiate the two different sides of where I'm growing. These will be the leek seeds. Just pouring those out. And as you can see, they're kind of black. Look a bit like onion seeds to me. But yeah, they're from the same family, so I'm not really surprised. And the same concept to spread them. Gently to spread them above. And when these guys grow, I'm going to be thinning them out. Put them in maybe like a different module. Let them grow a bit bigger, or I let them grow straight in here and maybe just put them straight in the ground, just depending what the weather is saying and how big they are at the time. And that'll be basically for both plants. We're having kind of like nice weather. It feels like spring is coming early, but it's February, so yeah, can't trust that until ending of March, and then you really know you're really into things and spring is really here and you can really start growing. But yeah, that's basically the process. So we just sprinkle on one side the broccoli seeds, on the other side we sprinkle the leek seeds. And then hopefully as they grow up, I'll be thinning them out one by one and then transplanting them into the bed or into separate spots. Alright, so the next step would be sprinkle a little bit more compost on top, not a lot, just a thin layer of compost. And as you know, the seeds then, they need a little bit of darkness, not a lot. And once you've laid that on there, just gently press them down, very hard, just gently. Our next step will be just to give them some water. Gently spray some water across. And yeah, that's basically it. So we'll give those about 7 to 10 days, and hopefully we should start seeing the seeds growing and the pot looking very nice and green. Alright guys, that's all for now. Live well, and together we grow.